So for A, 1 to 5 out of 500 students got a scholarship. If 10 students are chosen at random, calculate that 3 students got scholarship. So probability of getting a scholarship is equal to 1 to 5 divided by 500, which is equal to 0.25. So we know if probability of getting is 0.25, then probability of not getting is equal to 1 minus 0.25, which is equal to 0.75. So now we know 10 students is chosen at random. So probability of 3 is equal to 10 C3. So probability chosen 0.25 to the power of getting 3. The power of not getting is 0.75 to the power of 10 minus 3, which is 7. So we get 0.2503. So this one 0.2503. So masses of teachers normal distribution with a mean of 54 kg. So mean is 54 kg and then variance of 144 kg square. So calculate the probability that the teacher chosen random will have a mass more than 60 kg. So probability of having mass more than 60 kg is equal to probability of having Z larger than. So we know formula of Z is equal to X minus mean divided by standard deviation. So variance is equal to 144, standard deviation is equal to surd 144, which is equal to 12. So Z is larger than, X is 60. So from here, minus mean of 54 divided by standard deviation of 12. So we get P, Z is larger than 0.5. So to know what is the probability of Z larger than 0.5, we could see from the table. So we know probability of Z is larger than 0.5. So Z larger than 0.5 is equal to, we can find Z from here. So 0.5 is 0.50. So 0.50 is equal to here 0.3085. So this one is 0.3085. So probability more than 60 kg is 0.3085. 70% have mass more than m kg. Find the value of m. So 70%. So we can say 70%. So we know the bell-shaped graph. The bell-shaped graph. So right and left is equal. So you know 70% means and larger than 70%. So this part m. So this is the part that is larger than 70%. So we see probability of X is larger than M is equal to 0.7. So to get M, so we know to get M we must get 1 minus this area, which is equal to 1 minus probability of X is smaller than, so we see here M is at the left side, this is negative. Negative M or 1 is equal to P, X larger than M. So because it is symmetrical, so here this area is equal to this area. Now we can see from the graph. So what is 0.7? So we can see here P, X is larger than M is equal to 1 minus 0.7, which is equal to 0.3. So you know from this formula, Z is equal to X minus mean divided by standard deviation, where is X is M minus mean is 50, where is 54 and this one is 12. 54 divided by 12. So we can find 0.3 from table. So we know P, X is larger than M is equal to 0.3. So we need to find 0.3 from the table. So we cannot find from here because this is the value of Z. So 0.3, so the nearest is here, 0.3015. Okay, so this is 0.5, 0.52, 0.52, but then we want exactly 0.30. So we don't want the 15 one. So where is, when we minus, we can get nearest to 0.3. So we can see we have 14 and 17, but 14 is nearer to, when we minus 14 is nearer to 0.30, where 0.3015 minus 14 is 0.3001. So 0.52, this one is 4. So Z is equal to 0.524. So we get 0.524. So here we get 0.524. So it's either 0.524 or negative 0.524. But we can clearly see that Z is at this negative side. So we can get m minus 54 over 12 is equal to negative 0.524. So m minus minus 54 is equal to negative 0.524 times 12, which is equal to negative 6.288, and m is equal to 54, we bring to the right, minus 6.288, which is equal to 47.712. This one is 47.712 kg.